Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction, it's here woven into the very fabric of our daily lives. What was once the stuff of futuristic movies is now a reality, quietly shaping the way we live, work, and connect with each other. In the Philippines, AI is not just a buzzword, it's a force that's beginning to touch every corner of society, from the bustling cities to the most remote provinces. Across the archipelago, AI is transforming life in ways both visible and invisible. In our cities, it powers the apps we use to navigate traffic, helps us find the fastest routes, and even suggests where to eat or shop. In our homes, smart devices are learning our habits, making daily routines more convenient and efficient. From the high-rise offices of Makati, where businesses use AI to analyze data and make smarter decisions, to the rice fields of Nueva Ecija, where farmers are starting to use AI-powered tools to predict weather patterns and improve crop yields, artificial intelligence is quietly weaving itself into our daily routines. Even our daily commutes are being reimagined, as AI helps optimize public transport and reduce congestion. Imagine a future where EDSA traffic flows smoothly, thanks to AI-driven traffic management systems that adjust signals in real time and predict congestion before it happens. No more hours lost in gridlock, just efficient, stress-free travel across Metro Manila. In rural clinics, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately, even in places where specialists are scarce. With AI-powered diagnostic tools, healthcare workers can catch illnesses early, recommend better treatments, and save more lives, bridging the gap between urban and rural healthcare. And when it comes to disaster preparedness, AI is a game changer. Our disaster agencies now have access to advanced prediction models, allowing them to forecast typhoons and floods with pinpoint accuracy. This means more timely warnings, better evacuation plans, and ultimately more lives protected when nature strikes. These are not distant dreams, they're the real, tangible promises of an AI-powered future. Filipino students are learning with the help of intelligent tutoring systems, farmers are using smart sensors to monitor their crops, and office workers are collaborating with AI to boost productivity and creativity. The possibilities seem endless, but with progress comes uncertainty. What happens to the millions of Filipinos working in the BPO industry, as AI begins to automate routine tasks and customer service roles? How do we prepare our workforce for jobs that don't even exist yet, and ensure that no one is left behind in this technological revolution? The challenge is clear. How do we ensure AI benefits everyone, from fishermen casting their nets at dawn, to tech entrepreneurs building the next big app, to students in far-flung barangays? It's about making sure that the opportunities AI brings are shared by all, not just a privileged few. AI is a double-edged sword. It can help build a more equitable Philippines where technology uplifts the many, or it can widen the gap between rich and poor, urban and rural, connected and disconnected. The outcome depends on the choices we make today. The decisions we make as a nation, how we educate our youth, invest in technology, and protect our workers, will shape how AI impacts our future. It's up to us to guide this powerful force in a direction that benefits every Filipino. The AI revolution has already begun, and it's moving faster than we ever imagined. Across the country, innovators, educators, and everyday citizens are embracing new tools and ideas, working together to build a smarter, more resilient Philippines. The question is, how will we navigate these powerful currents? Will we harness AI to create a brighter, more inclusive future for all Filipinos, or let it deepen the divides? The choice is ours, and the time to act is now. To see where we're headed, let's look back at AI's origins. The dream of intelligent machines began centuries ago, but the real journey started in the 1950s with pioneers like Alan Turing. After early excitement, AI faced setbacks, so-called AI winters, but perseverance paid off. The 21st century brought big data and powerful computers, turning theory into reality. AI left the lab, powering search engines, social media, and more. Today, AI is a global force, driving innovation from self-driving cars to medical breakthroughs. The Philippines, deeply connected to global trends, was bound to feel AI's impact. Now, we face the same opportunities and challenges as the rest of the world. AI didn't arrive in the Philippines with fanfare, it slipped quietly into our lives. We first met AI through streaming recommendations, navigation apps, and spam filters, tools we now take for granted. Soon, local businesses and policymakers realized AI was essential for national competitiveness. Early adopters used AI chatbots in telecoms and personalized shopping in e-commerce. showing real benefits. These successes demystified AI, proving it's not just for Silicon Valley. Filipino companies began to see AI as a tool for innovation and better service. This quiet wave planted the seeds for a thriving AI ecosystem. The stage was set for even bigger changes ahead. The BPO industry, a pillar of our economy, faces both challenge and opportunity from AI. As artificial intelligence becomes more advanced, it's reshaping the way call centers and outsourcing companies operate. Tasks that once required hours of repetitive work, like data entry, basic customer queries, and routine troubleshooting, are now being handled by intelligent chatbots and automated systems. This shift is prompting companies to rethink their workforce strategies and invest in new skills for their employees. Routine tasks are being automated, but this pushes the industry to upskill workers for higher-value roles. Employees are now encouraged to develop expertise in areas like complex problem-solving, emotional intelligence, and managing AI tools. Training programs and workshops are becoming more common, helping workers transition into supervisory, analytical, and creative positions that AI cannot easily replace. In healthcare, AI bridges gaps. Startups use it to analyze X-rays and help rural clinics diagnose diseases quickly. In places where access to specialists is limited, AI-powered diagnostic tools can scan medical images and flag potential issues, allowing doctors to make faster, more accurate decisions. This technology is especially valuable in remote areas, where resources are scarce and every minute counts. AI isn't replacing doctors, it's empowering them to deliver better care everywhere. By automating administrative tasks and providing instant access to patient data, AI frees up healthcare professionals to focus on what matters most, caring for people. It also helps reduce errors and ensures that even rural clinics can offer high-quality medical services. In agriculture, projects like Project Sarai use AI to help farmers decide when to plant and how to boost yields. By analyzing weather patterns, soil conditions, and crop health, AI provides farmers with personalized recommendations. This means they can make smarter decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control, leading to healthier crops and higher incomes. Data-driven insights are making farms more resilient and productive. With real-time updates and predictive analytics, farmers can adapt quickly to changing conditions, reduce losses, and ensure food security for their communities. AI is also vital in disaster preparedness, helping agencies predict typhoons and floods with greater accuracy. By processing vast amounts of weather data, AI models can forecast natural disasters earlier and more precisely, giving communities more time to prepare and respond. Timely warnings and proactive planning are saving lives. Local governments and emergency teams can now coordinate faster, send alerts directly to residents' phones, and organize evacuation efforts more efficiently than ever before. Across sectors, AI is transforming how we work, heal, and protect our communities. From the office to the clinic to the farm, technology is opening new possibilities and helping Filipinos overcome long-standing challenges. The impact is real and growing. As we embrace AI, we're not just keeping up with the world, we're shaping a future where technology and human ingenuity work hand in hand for a better Philippines. The most exciting AI breakthroughs are homegrown, crafted by Filipinos for Filipino challenges. Startups like Senti AI build language models for Tagalog, Cebuano, and Taglish, making tech more accessible and relevant. These innovations help businesses understand customers and make government services more inclusive. Universities are nurturing the next generation of AI talent, with research labs tackling everything from traffic to language preservation. The government's AI roadmap supports startups, research, and education, fueling a vibrant ecosystem. Filipino innovators are proving we can be creators, not just consumers of AI. By adapting technology to our culture, we ensure AI truly serves our people. The future of AI in the Philippines is being built right here, by us. AI brings hope but also anxiety, especially about jobs. Automation threatens roles in data entry, customer service, and manufacturing. The solution? Reskill and upskill our workforce for creative, complex jobs machines can't do. Education must focus on STEM and soft skills, with lifelong learning as the new norm. Government and business must make training accessible, helping workers transition to new roles. But there's another risk: the digital divide. Not all Filipinos have equal access to data and connectivity, putting some at a disadvantage. Bridging this gap means investing in nationwide internet and digital literacy. AI's promise must be for everyone, not just the connected few. Only then can we build an inclusive AI-powered future. As AI becomes part of daily life, tough ethical questions arise. Algorithmic bias can reinforce inequalities if we're not careful with the data we use. Data privacy is critical. Who owns our information and how is it used? Accountability is complex. If AI makes a mistake, who's responsible? We need clear regulations, transparency, and human oversight to build trust. A national dialogue rooted in Filipino values of fairness and community is essential. Responsible, ethical AI isn't optional, it's the foundation for real progress. The Philippines stands at a crossroads. Will we lead in AI or simply follow the path set by others? As the world races ahead with artificial intelligence, we have a unique opportunity to carve out our own place in this technological revolution. The decisions we make today will shape not just our economy but the very fabric of our society for generations to come. We already have the ingredients for success: an energetic young population, digital natives who are quick to adapt, and a vibrant startup scene that's bursting with creativity and ambition. Our people are our greatest asset, and their passion for technology is evident in every corner of the country, from bustling cities to remote provinces. But to truly lead, we must invest deeply in education. Teaching computational thinking and digital skills from an early age will prepare our youth for the jobs of tomorrow. Imagine a generation of Filipinos not just using technology, but building it, innovating, creating, and solving real-world problems with AI. Advanced research is essential, but so are strong partnerships. Collaboration between schools, industry, and government will drive breakthroughs and ensure that our AI ecosystem is robust and sustainable. By working together, we can turn ideas into impactful solutions. Streamlined regulations and government support for startups will fuel innovation, making it easier for entrepreneurs to turn their visions into reality. We need policies that encourage risk-taking and reward creativity so that the next big AI breakthrough can come from a Filipino mind. Establishing regional AI centers of excellence will help us focus on local industries like agriculture, healthcare, and education, spreading the benefits of AI to every corner of the nation. These centers can become hubs of innovation, training, and collaboration, ensuring that no region is left behind. Our vision for AI must be uniquely Filipino. We need technology that understands our languages, respects our culture, and addresses our specific needs. By developing AI that speaks our languages and solves our problems, we can make technology truly inclusive and accessible. Let's adapt AI to empower our farmers with better tools, support healthcare workers with smarter diagnostics, and connect communities with information and opportunities. AI can be a force for good, lifting up those who need it most, and bridging the digital divide. The journey ahead will be challenging. There will be obstacles to overcome and lessons to learn. But the rewards, economic growth, social progress, and a brighter future are immense and within our reach if we work together. The future of AI in the Philippines is ours to shape. With determination, collaboration, and a uniquely Filipino vision, we can lead the AI charge and build a future where technology uplifts every Filipino. We've seen AI's promise and its risks for the Philippines. The technology is neutral, its impact depends on our choices. Will we let AI disrupt and divide, or guide its evolution to uplift everyone? Every decision, from business leaders to educators to policymakers, matters. The story of AI in the Philippines is still being written by all of us. The future isn't something that happens to us, it's something we create. Now is the time to act, learn, and lead. Is the Philippines ready for the age of AI? The answer is in our hands.